We had firmware 1.3.74 drop on June 3rd, around 2 weeks ago. Then a couple days after that, we found out about the brand new artist presets. And yet, we are not done with the new goodies. I'm telling you, I think Fender sometimes just plants these Easter eggs and waits to see how long it takes for us to find them. So what am I talking about? Well, if you go into the Fender factory presets, you will find 21 new presets. You'll find them toward the end of the list, starting with 24 clapping nights. Let's check them out and see what we got here. Okay guys, let's go through the 21 new presets. Now, I don't get all of the names for all of them, but this one I do believe refers to Eric Clapton's 24 Nights album. So it sounds something like this. Now, 80s Whiskey Hunter is one of those that I'm not quite sure of the reference, but it sounds like this. Now, another Bricklayer Part 1. This is interesting. Obviously, it's Pink Floyd related. But look, there is no cab. There's 4 pedals and a twin reverb head. That's it. And still, it sounds like this. Aerosmith Rocks. I guess we know which album that's coming from. Bassbreaker Stack. Damaged Orion. Desert Roses live rig. Extreme Graffiti. Now here's a monster, Leviathan Thunder. Mason Jar Country. Princely Brown Stereo. I don't really get this one because it sounds like this. Screaming for the Priest. Texas Style Barbecue. Better Let Yellow. Live Free. Well, maybe something like... Phantom Astronaut. Pro Rig 87. Now here's something I wanted to show you. Like if you just look at the main preset, it's like, well, wait a second. There's another amp and there's 4 other pedals in there. Go to the foot switches. For instance, dirty amp, clean amp, and dirty amp with grease. Let's see what that brings in. So yeah, that's another thing to remember, guys. Check the foot switch assignments on all these presets. You'll find some extra settings. Now, shallow loomer? I really don't know what this one is about, but and now here's soaring lead crunch. The dude abides. And finally, we wrap it up with thud and blunder. Now, let's see, there's 5 pedals not being used. Let's take a look at the foot switches. And there they are, guys, the 21 new factory presets from Fender. Look in your factory presets section, you'll find them no problem at all. You know, I keep wondering what we'll find next, or what Fender's just going to announce very quietly. This update has been, without a doubt, extremely feature-packed. It kind of makes you wonder what they have up their sleeve for the next big update, doesn't it? Well, we're just going to have to wait and see. And if you're still here, thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, drop them here, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Now this Friday, I will have all new content. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great week, and I will be talking with you again on Friday.